you doing? Well, there's the sheriff. Yeah. There's COVID, number 200. Look how big he is. He's good size. How big his head is. There ain't nothing in there, COVID. Almost. Here, can I pet you again? How big is Speedar? Huge. This donkey's big. How big he is. Man. Yeah, look at that brisket. He's every bit of, if he ain't 1,000 pounds, I don't know what he is, man. He's huge. Huge. Yeah, that's your steer fix for today. Oh, out there's the garden.
Nine sixteenths. That's right. 25 and 9/16. It's right there. Okay, that's going up that way. This is going this way. Okay, we're ready to go fit these two.
Okay. Hand what to you? That?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Is it ready to go?
Yeah, let me try to stretch some more hose here for you.
Put one in there and that's it.
Same thing.
Take. 26.
26.
26. Okay, 26.
Okay. You know, if you remember But wasn't that funny though, the way they did that hay thing, man? That was crazy. That was like that was the Tennessee thing, man, for sure. I wanted to get it on video, but I didn't think about it fast enough.
I think Keisha was videoing it.
Oh, you think so?
She had her phone out.
Yeah, she might have videoed it. Well, I would love to get put that on Bromart Farms. I wonder I don't have her on my Facebook.
I'll have to ask her if she videoed the hay delivery. That Mark would like to have a video. What's the matter, Samson? What you
She
looking
said,
for?
off just a little bit.
What you looking for?
Oh, I see. There's 3 pieces. There's not a piece that goes on the bottom. I'm thinking it's a square, man. He hammered it right on the right deal, man.
Did he?
Oh yeah, he's good at what he does. There's the other half. Remember that. But we got some free hay out of it.
Alright, give me the gun.
Yeehaw. Looks good.
Careful.
Don't let me get hooked up.
No, you're not hooked up. You won't need that in the front, will you?
No, just underneath, he said. You might put one in
End and in the middle.
the front, yeah.
It looks good. You did a fine job there, Brother Wayne.
You know?
Another quality installation by Brother Wayne.
Thank goodness for Brother Wayne.
There you go, Miss Cindy.
Oh, okay, Miss Cindy. There you go.
Have a seat then and rest.
Knees killing me. I think I pushed that way over there when I had my knee on it.
Well, that's okay. She can't. Yeah, you did. See, that's
It's
gonna
gonna
be a problem.
move no matter what.
That's gonna be a problem. So we need to get me in the video too, I guess. Yeah. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Well, it came officially in the mail today. We have a title for our trailer. We also now have tags for our trailer.
We also took the rims down to get powder coated this week. We chose to go with gloss black. The hen jumped up in there, wanted to know when we were going to go camping, when we were leaving.